Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you. And if I've already met you then hey! So today I am doing the opposite video of the one I just posted and the link is below. So I asked questions on Instagram asking what is your ideal woman? And today I'm doing the complete opposite. I'm going with everything that people say wasn't the ideal woman. So what I asked was if they preferred hair curly or straight, lips natural or fake. I done all that and today I'm doing what people don't like. So just a disclaimer, 60% of people said they prefer people with tan, and because I'm doing the opposite video today, I'm sorry, I'm not going 40% white. What? So I'm not going with the 40% white. So that's the only thing that I'm not doing. Everything else I'm doing. It's just gonna be annoying washing all this off and all, like, so much effort. So first I'm gonna go with the hair, and 40% of the people said they preferred straight hair. So I gotta straighten this. Yeah. Outfit wise, this is why I'm wearing a t-shirt. You can kind of see my bra and everything. But yeah, I'm just wearing a little casual t-shirt because 50% of the people said that they liked dressy and 50% said casual, but I just went with dressy in the other video so then I can do casual in this video. The eyes, I asked whether people like natural or bold. 100% of the people said natural. There's me like taking ages doing all these bold ass eyes and people preferred natural. Yeah, natural. So obviously today I ain't doing natural. I'm gonna pull it all out and I'm just gonna go over the top for all you natural ones, which seems to be 100% obvious. So I'm gonna go off and do an eye and then I'll come back because my camera needs charged. I've already went ahead and put on my base, which is the Healer Concealer in Light, and done my eyebrows. So for this whole look I am going to be using the Keilidh MUA Urban Babel palette, and I'm going to go in with Unruly, Sacrifice, Chaos and a little tiny bit of Saviour just to blend it out into the skin. And first I'm going in with Sacrifice. I'm just building that up right in the middle of my crease. And then whenever that has been built up, I'm going to start lightly dragging it out and creating sort of shape what I'm looking for. And gently blend it up a little, just so whenever we go in with Unruly it will be nicely blended. Then going in with Unruly and just gently blend over that Sacrifice colour. And with Saviour, buffing that into the skin so there is no harsh edges. Then I'm going to go in with the Plouise Basic Brights base, which is the Vivid Violet, just to cut the crease. And whenever I am cutting the crease there, I'm just looking straight ahead, just lining out where I'm going to actually do it. And then whenever I come around here, I want to start dragging it out just like we were with the eyeshadow. Then you end up like with a shape like that. Now taking that Now taking that Chaos colour, I'm just taking on a little kind of brush and I'm just going to pack that on in place. Just going to attach the top bit and the bottom bit together. Something like a liner kind of effect to it. I'm going to stick on my Keilidh MUA lashes in Ego, and I love these eyelashes. L'Oreal True Match foundation, put that all around my face. Where I would normally put the concealer, I am just going to use foundation today, which is the Golden Ivory. Just patting on the MAC Give Me Sun. And then going in with the Makeup Revolution Blush Dream palette, and I'm just going to be taking this one. So for the lips, I asked whether you liked fillers or natural lips, and 90% of people said natural lips. So in this video, I'm going to be pretending to have fake ones. Now I'm not going to go out and get some fillers just for this video. So I am just going to be drawing them on with some lip liner and trying to make them look a little bit fake. Whenever it comes to the Cupid's bow, I normally notice with people with fillers, they look more like rounded or like attached instead of a Cupid's bow, what you're expecting. So I'm just going to slightly make that bit more straight than down. Then I'm taking the Matte Me Up liquid lipstick. Finish off the lips, I'm going to in with the Holla Plouise gloss. Just putting that directly in the middle. Then to finish off this look, I'm going in with the Sub-Zero palette. I'm going into Baby and Lifestyle. A little bit of Fix Plus. Just to set everything in place. I wash this hand before I start posing. It's also said about nails. 80% of people said they preferred long nails like these, whereas only 20% said short nails. I like both, but I really do love my long nails. But for this video, I'm gonna cut them. Sad times. Look how much is coming off that. I don't even know what way I cut that one. Like, that looks weird. Everyone, that is me done with this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, then please go subscribe to watch all my other videos and all that stuff. If you haven't already, go check out that other video where I do the opposite of this video and do the ideal woman, and yeah, check it out. Let me know in the comments down below which look you actually prefer. It was just a bit of fun. It wasn't like, you know, you're trying to say that this is actually what women should look like, because all women look completely different. And yeah, this is literally the way I always am, and people said this was what they didn't find ideal. So, you know, I'm just taking it as a fun video idea. It's nothing to be personal or to make you feel crappy or anything like that, because I'm in the 20 to 40%ers here too. So yeah, and also remember that we did get 50% on one thing, which is the top. And let me know, do you think that I actually pulled off the fake looking lips? Because to be honest, I think I did. Especially if I do like a little pout and all. Yeah, you feel like you look good, then you look good, and that's it. I don't know why I just hit my head. I don't know why I just hit myself. I don't know. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye!